Dear business leaders, a proper document storage is key for compliance and data safety. Poor storage risks to unauthorized access, document loss, and legal issues. Document storing issues. Searching required document. Table stacked with documents, no space on the table to work. Payment delayed due to missing documents. Rushing to collect paperwork before the meeting. Sorting through a stack of documents. Incomplete documentation for audit vouching. Documents lost due to fire. Records affected by rodents and insects. Virus attack impacting system and records. Lost track of important files leads to wastage of time and energy. GST compliance suffers without proper documentation, leads to penalties and headaches. To address all these challenges from complexity to simplicity, we are here with one platform solution. SGM introduces its Advanced Digital Document Management. So now let's explore the demo to see how it works.
On Gateway of Tally screen, go to Ledger account. Then click on Copy Upload Link button. Paste this link on web browser and enter. You will come to the login page. After that, you need to enter the login details. Now select the company where you want to upload documents. Click on Upload Documents option, you can see the storage and other details. Click on Browse File button and select the multiple documents for upload. Multiple documents are uploaded successfully. Upon clicking the View Report button, the system will display the dashboard report. Open the ledger in Tally, select the required transaction for which the document needs to be linked. And then click on the Set Document button. To view which document is linked with transaction, click on View Document File. Here you can browse document file to view in browser. Also you can unlink document from particular transaction. Once login into portal, an option is provided to create sub-users. Please click on Sub-users to proceed. The report will show you which voucher is linked with Tally. If you want to open and check the document from here itself, you can do that as well. The document can also be downloaded from here. Documents can be filtered according to voucher type. Select Voucher Sales and click on Apply. You can easily search documents using the document name. Document can easily search by party name. Also you can search document using voucher number. You can view dashboard data for a specific date range.
So this is the power of the Advanced Digital Document Management module by SGM. Why it matters? Powering paperless success. Driving more productivity. Securing your documents. Building a smarter business. Streamline and grow. To get more details on this module, contact us.